Hey, what's up guys? This is Batter from Oxide Hookah. Today I'm going to show you how to properly pack an alfactor pipe, alfactor tobacco in a pipe. In a bowl, and I'm going to be using the lip bowl. This is the Oxide Hookah O-Bowl V2. You guys are pretty familiar with it by now. It's been out for a year and a half or so. We're sold out at the moment of these, but hopefully get some back in the future. Well, anyways, a lot of people have been asking me lately, how would you pack a alfactor bowl? Well, I want to show you guys how. So first, sometimes Shisha tobacco might be a little choppy. So what you want to do is just grab a pair of scissors and just go through it really quick. This is when you open up a pack. I just opened up this pack and I threw it in this Tupperware. Keeping in Tupperware is probably the best option for keeping your Shisha fresh, but I recommend it. Keep it in room temperature. Never store your Shisha in the fridge. I've seen a lot of people do that. I don't recommend it because when you're smoking it and it's too cold, etc., you throw on some coals, you're gonna get heat shock, and that's just gonna burn your Shisha right away. You'll get a good session out of it for maybe 15-20 minutes, and then you're done. So I just go ahead and stick with room temperature. That's it. So I think I've chopped up enough here. I knew I had a little bit of a couple of tobacco leaves here, or stems that were just kind of in the way, so grabbed a pair of scissors and yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Just clean that off. All right. I believe we're done here. So next thing we're gonna do, just grab a little bit of Shisha. I always like to kind of mix it up a bit within its own little spot and just tear apart a few of these sticky parts where the Shisha stuck together from all the juices and the glycerin. So I'm just gonna, separate as much as I can, right, to the point where it's just nice and airy. Okay, just grab your bowl, just sprinkle it in. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but okay. And notice if I'm packing it down a little bit, I'm not pushing on it, just literally with my finger moving it around. No pressure on it. So, and you can tell here after we cut it, it's a lot more easier to pack, right? You're getting more of an even pack rather than one section being all over the place and the other being, too stemmy or too clumped. Here we get like a perfect, nice, even pack, right? When you're packing this, you just want to make sure that you're just at the rim or above or beneath the rim, of your bowl. And the best way to do that actually is if you're using a heat management device like the Cloud Lotus or Ottoman Ignis, your best bet is just to grab your Lotus or HMD and simply place it on the lip, move it around, circle it up, tap it down. I'll show you guys how to do that in a sec, but yeah. So that's that. It looks like it's packed. I'm gonna give it a nice little clean up here. Give me one sec. Alright. Just grab a piece of paper towel and just clean this up. You can even dump it back in the bowl. Alright. Keep it nice and clean. Now, everybody has their own packing method. This one works best for me, right? So, nice and fluffy. A lot of people have, different methods of dense packing it or throwing it in the bowl, or I don't know. There's a million different procedures, I guess, these days. It all depends on the type of tobacco as well. If you're using a black leaf or dark leaf tobacco, I know they're a lot more heat sensitive, so a lot of people will just dense pack it and add less heat onto it. But yeah, like I said, depends on all the tobacco. Here I have some alfalfa here, double apple. You know, the OG traditional flavor. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab my Lotus. You know, I simply just add it on there. Okay, just move it around. Notice I'm not putting any pressure at all. I'm just sinking it in there. That's my little process, all right? So it doesn't work for everybody, but for me it does. And now I got it all packed up. So good bowl to go. I'm gonna smoke it. All right, any products you guys need, check out our website at www.oxidehookah.com. We're based in Canada, we ship internationally. Check us out. Need to do a restock here soon, but yeah, check us out. Glad you enjoyed this video, hopefully. And yeah, be back for more later. Cheers.